Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's October 1st, so that means a brand new Spellbinders card kit of the month. The theme is You Are Stellar. There's always the information card that has a few card samples, and on the other side there's a little tutorial showing how to assemble one of the cards. The card tutorial is usually focused around the die set that's included in the kit. And that's always nice. If you're wondering what one of the dies is for, you can just look at this little tutorial. Now I'll show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 9 pieces of cardstock, and these are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a light blue, white, cream, a soft pink, dark purple, light purple, a dark blue. There's another pink, just a little bit darker than the other, and there's also the full sheet of the gold mirror cardstock. There's a full 6x6 paper pad. These are single-sided. There's 20 different designs, and you'll get 2 of each, so a total of 40 sheets. Some of them do have the gold foil finish, which is always pretty. So I'll just flip through these quickly. I love the variety of patterns they always include in their collections. Here's another one with that gold foil. There are lots of tone-on-tone, lovely florals. I like the geometric patterns. It's a really fun paper collection. The colors are so pretty, lots of purples and dark blues. I think this paper collection is perfect for masculine and feminine cards. Here's another tone-on-tone. Here's some beautiful gold stars. A little ombre with purple to blue. Here's a fun grid with some X's, beautiful floral design, some diagonal stripes, lots of moons and stars, and then we're back to repeating patterns since there are 2 of every design. So it's a really beautiful paper collection. Up next there are 4 sheets of cardstock stickers, and they're all different. There's lots of sentiments, there's icons, there's some of the zodiac signs, and many of them do have that gold foil finish, so they're really pretty. I love all the florals. Here's some more sentiments. And then the final sheet has more sentiments and icons. My favorite is the pink typewriter. The next item is a sheet of puffy stickers in gold foil. Lots of great sentiments that you could mix and match together. And then there's tons of those tiny little stars that'll be perfect for embellishments. Here's the stamp set that's included in the kit. A few images and lots of great sentiments. And with every Spellbinders kit, you'll receive 1 sheet of the foam dimension squares and also a roll of the double-sided tape. There's also a sheet of epoxy stickers, and most of them are the zodiac signs, but there's also a few little stars and hearts on there as well. The kit includes 10 A2 size card bases and A2 size envelopes, all in white. And the card bases do have a linen texture on them. So even if you don't want to use them for your card bases, they're perfect for the background of your card since it has that nice textured finish. You'll also receive a package of the die cut shapes, and there's always 2 of each, and it is packed full. So I will spread these all out and show everything that's included at the end of this video. This month the kit includes a bag of sequins, and these are so pretty. They have an iridescent finish on them. It goes perfectly with all of the papers. The final item included in the kit is the die set, and there are 8 different dies. So I'll open up the package and lay these out so you can see what's included. So it has the little outline frame. There's a piece you can put inside that'll add a little detail. And then there's another piece which you could use individually, but it'll also cut out little stars in the background. There's the die with the stars. There's the sentiment Shine On. There's 2 different pieces for the moon, so you could have a full moon or just a partial moon, and then a couple more stars. So that is everything that's included in the Spellbinders October 2021 card kit. And here's a look at all of the ephemera. I just laid it out on my craft mat. And there are 2 of every piece. Many of them also have that gold foil finish. This kit is now available. I do have a link provided in the description box if you want to sign up to subscribe. You do need to sign up by October 24th in order to receive the October kit. You can also check out the kit add-ons, and I'll have a link for that as well. And coming soon, I will be sharing my cards using this beautiful kit. I've only been using Spellbinders kits for a few months, but they are so fun and they really are packed full with products. I love that they include card bases, envelopes, and even adhesive. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.